Prakriti is a small business entrepreneur in India. She has been invited to attend a trade conference in Australia. Para, who is in India for her research work, helps Prakriti find trade-related information with help of the Spatial agent.
Hello, Para. I have been invited to an international trade conference in Australia. I want to prepare myself with some actual trade data across the world. Hello, Prakriti. Nice to meet you and congratulations. Tell me, what sort of information are you looking for? Can we see how well the different countries are doing in terms of economy? Sure. Let's use the Spatial agent. It has various themes related to trade. As I am traveling to Australia for the conference, I would like to see some trade-related data of that place. Is that possible? Of course. Here is a map that shows the percentage of GDP growth around the world. You can see that Australia has increased its GDP from minus 0.32% to 2.5% in the time period 1991 to 2014. Can we find out about the kind of trade a particular country is involved in? That's simple. The Trade at a Glance map helps you quickly compose a visual narrative about countries and the products they exchange. Let's click on Australia to see the list of products exported by the country. This trade model shows that Australia exports a huge amount of iron ore, totaling to approximately $68 billion. You can also compare imports, import patterns, and export patterns. This image shows the import patterns of various countries around the world. You can tap on each country to view total trade value of the same. Wow, such accurate data. Let's find out data of another commodity. Here I am clicking on corn to see global exports. Now let's click on countries to see what data is shown here. Wow, this graph shows a comparison of export data of countries over a few years. Can I also find information about imports? The Imports of Goods and Services map shows you the value of goods and other market services received from the rest of the world. You can tap on any country to get detailed trade data. Here we see that Australia made maximum imports in 2009. These accounted for about 22.4% of the country's GDP. You must agree that we are living in an increasingly interlinked world. Poor connectivity and communication to the rest of the world became a barrier to trade. I bet we can find related information in the Spatial agent. Sure. The map on time travel to major cities shows the accessibility and time travel to different locations using land or water. You can also use the wireless network coverage map to check the signal strength of areas along with the availability of wireless network. Oh, Para, thank you for the insight on the valuable trade data. I cannot thank you enough for informing me about these themes related to trade and introducing me to the Spatial agent.